Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're a homeowner or someone interested in the world of real estate and home improvement, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of exterior house trim. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting to explore the terminology, we've got you covered. So, let's get started with our ultimate guide to understanding exterior house trim. First things first, let's establish what exactly exterior house trim is. Think of it as the icing on the cake when it comes to home design. Exterior house trim includes all those decorative elements and finishes that enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your home's exterior. From window frames to door casings, fascias, soffits, and more, it's all part of this exciting world of exterior trim. Now that we know what exterior house trim encompasses, let's dive into some common types you might encounter. 1. Crown molding. Crown molding, also known as cornice molding, is usually found at the top of walls where they meet the ceiling. It adds a touch of elegance and charm to your home. 2. Window casings. Window casings are the frames around windows. They not only provide a finished look but also help protect the window structure. 3. Door trim. Door trim includes elements like the door frame, jamb, and molding. It frames your doors beautifully and can make a big difference in your home's overall appeal. 4. Soffits and fascias. Soffits are the underside of roof overhangs, while fascias are the vertical bands running along the roof edge. They play a role in ventilation and protecting your home from the elements. With exterior trim, you have a plethora of materials and styles to choose from. The material you pick can impact both the look and maintenance of your trim. 1. Wood trim. Wood trim offers a classic and timeless appeal. However, it requires more maintenance to prevent rot and deterioration. 2. Vinyl trim. Vinyl trim is low maintenance and versatile. It's resistant to moisture, making it a great option for areas prone to rain or humidity. 3. Composite trim. Composite trim combines the best of both worlds, the look of wood and the durability of synthetic materials. It's a popular choice for many homeowners. So, how do you go about installing and maintaining exterior trim? Let's break it down. Installation. Proper installation is crucial to ensure your trim stays in place and looks great. It often involves measuring, cutting, and securing the trim pieces with appropriate fasteners. Maintenance. Regular maintenance varies based on the material you choose. Wood may need repainting or staining periodically, while vinyl and composite trims generally require simple cleaning to maintain their appearance. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to understanding exterior house trim. Remember, the right trim can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal and overall value. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested. Also, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting home improvement content.